If you're a bird lover, then you need to see this. It's the ultimate battle of the skies, eagle versus falcon. Eagles, the majestic titans of the sky. With wingspans that can reach over 7 feet, eagles are built for power and dominance. These aerial predators can swoop down at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour, talons ready to snatch up their prey. But don't count the falcons out yet. Falcons, the supersonic speedsters of the bird world. They might be smaller, but they pack a punch with record-breaking dives clocking in at over 240 miles per hour. Eagles rely on their sheer strength and keen eyesight, spotting a rabbit from 2 miles away. While falcons use their lightning speed and agility, turning on a dime in mid-air maneuvers. So, who wins this sky-high clash? Is it the powerful eagle or the lightning-fast falcon? Tell us your pick in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic battles.